Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting tight, high-quality assets and setting export presets so nothing slows you down. Once you have the trending audio, mark exact timestamps for the hook and beat drops. This makes syncing precise. Then create a concise 15-30-second structure. Immediate hook, a contrast or switch at beat 1, and a payoff shot. As you work, keep file names consistent and use a simple edit bin. That saves time when you iterate multiple versions. Now you execute the complex middle. Align every cut to audio transients so motion feels intentional, nudging by 0. 1 to 0. 2 seconds when necessary to tighten rhythm. Apply a lightweight LUT and match exposure across shots so viewers focus on the edit, not color shifts. Use ease in/ease out on motion keyframes for polished movement and sidechain music under dialogue or vocal stems so the message remains clear. Once done, render a draft and watch on mobile for pacing adjustments. Wrap up by exporting with platform-friendly settings. Choose H. 264 or HEVC, 1080p, and 8 to 12 Mbps so quality is preserved without huge files. Once exported, craft 2 thumbnails and captions for an A/B test, then schedule at your peak engagement window. If something goes wrong, like audio clipping or distortion, reopen the session, reduce stem levels to -6 dB, re-render the mix, and re-export. Make sure to check final playback on phone speakers and headphones before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.